Now we're going to solve an inequality in two variables, x and y. To solve these inequalities, the first step is to graph the equation, replace the inequality with an equal, and graph that. So over here, when I graph that, we start at -1, the slope is 1, so starting here we go up 1 over 1 and we connect the dots. Because this is a strict inequality, there's no equal underneath it, we want to connect the dots with a dotted line. So that's our first step. The second step is pick a test point. And I always pick the point 0, 0. The only time you really can't use that is if your graph, dotted or a solid line, goes through the origin. But if it doesn't, I pick the test point. We plug it into the original 0, 0, so the test point I'm going to pick is 0, 0. So in the original inequality, wherever there's an x, I plug in 0, and wherever there's a y, I plug in 0. And the question is this statement true? Well, simplifying, we get 0 is greater than -1. That is a true statement. So we now look at the point 0, 0. 0, 0 is right here. And because that point, when we plugged it in the original inequality, was a true result, that means every point on the same side as this point will also work. So this point, as we can see, is on this side of the graph. Therefore, we shade this side. Every point that we plug into this inequality on this side will make this a true inequality. But if I pick a point on this side and plug it in, it's not going to be the end result is not going to be a true statement.